Good day. Have you been struggling to pass the PMHNP certification examination? Struggle no more. At NP Certification Academy, we offer AANP and ANCC certification examination. Those are two companies that offer the PMHNP certification exam. We have 99.9% pass rate, and we look forward to seeing you in our group. In order to stay connected with us, these are our links right here: TikTok link, YouTube link, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can find us on most of these social media. So allow me to introduce to you how we teach in our review. Speaking is Dr. KEHINDE ELISHA, founder of NP Certification Academy. The very first thing I'm going to talk about today is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is a brain part that is actually one of the largest parts of the brain. Don't forget, the largest part of the brain is not the same thing as the largest lobe of the brain. So the cerebrum consists of the right and the left hemispheres. Each hemisphere receives sensory information from the opposite side of the body that controls the skeletal muscle of the opposite side. Now, the cerebrum governs what? Sensory and motor activity and thought and learning. So now, the part is the main thing that I want us to focus on quickly. We have the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, the insula, and the occipital lobe. Let's go ahead and take this out and focus on the four main parts. But I'm only going to discuss like two of them today. So look, frontal lobe, the executive director sits in the front. When they sit in the front, they plan, they execute, they make major decisions. So that will remind you of the function of the frontal lobe. Frontal lobe will execute, will carry out decisions. At the same time, if we are replacing executive director with frontal lobe, that will also remind you of one more thing. That will remind you that what? That if you do something wrong to your boss or to the executive director, guess what? They're gonna have personality changes. So another key function, and that is high yield and frequently tested on about the frontal lobe, is personality changes. So anything goes wrong with the frontal lobe, you will see personality changes, right? You will see what? Personality changes. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about here is the parietal lobe. You're going to take the word parietal, replace it with the word parent. Your parent will send you to school to read and write. Your parent will give you food to taste. Now, that will now guide you as to the definition of the parietal lobe. Parietal and parent. So how do you like our teaching? Don't forget to visit us, www.npcertificationacademy.com. This is a place that you not only pass your board exam, you're also going to pass your board exam, and then you're also going to be able to know what you're doing as a provider. In addition, after you pass, we're going to keep you in our expert group where you're going to continue to network. Speaking is Dr. KEHINDE ELISHA, founder of NP Certification Academy. We look forward to having you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.